is some rotation ongoing with the system, and this is just north of Ogallala, and it's going to be moving through Ogallala over the next several minutes here, folks. So be in your shelter at this time. We're going to continue to keep you posted on this cell here overnight tonight. But here's the thing. There is a lot of alerts going on at this time. As far as dry weather alerts, we have an air quality alert through tomorrow morning for the entire viewing area and a red flag warning in effect through tomorrow evening. And this is mainly for the western tier counties here. So make sure that you are taking the proper cautions for both alerts. And with the air quality alert, make sure you limit yourself outdoors, especially if you have lung-related issues. And as far as that red flag warning, make sure that you're not burning anything outdoors, discard anything flammable properly, and also in the event of a fire, please call 911 immediately. Now, the timing for these storms will start around 7 and 8 o'clock, and it's going to be pushing on through North Platte between 9 and 10 o'clock. And again, those threats still apply, and the thunderstorm chances will continue pretty much throughout the night, and we will see those temperatures drop down into the 60s, but all severe weather should come to an end around 11 o'clock. Well, we are seeing those clouds move in here across greater Nebraska at this time, and our current temperatures are at 59 degrees, and the winds are out of the south-southeast at 17 miles per hour, so it is quite breezy at this time, and the gust is at 28 miles per hour, so make sure you hold on to your hats if you're going out and about right now. Now, if we head over into our current satellite radar right now, we are looking at those mostly cloudy conditions throughout the entire viewing area this late morning, and this is a little bit more denser here in North Platte and a little less here in Arthur, but Imperial, a little bit more clouds, and also between Purdue and Hyannis, we are seeing those clouds as well. But as we head over into our current temperatures, our temperatures are mainly in the 50s and 60s, and we have 59 degrees here in North Platte, 62 in Ogallala, and we have 53 in Hyannis. So the temperatures aren't too bad at this time. And throughout the rest of the day, we will see those thunderstorm chances increase, with some being on the strong and severe side, and I'm about to show you that in just a minute. And our winds will be on the breezy side throughout the day today, too. Now, we have our area of high pressure that's to our south and east, bringing us that southerly flow, all ahead of our cold front that's going to be pushing on through later on tonight into our Saturday, and that is going to be providing us with those strong to severe storms. And if you are traveling anywhere during the day today, it looks like Lincoln and Omaha, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies, and temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. But as we head over into Kansas City and Denver, we'll see a little bit more sunshine in Kansas City than in Denver, and temperatures will remain in the 70s there. And as far as our severe weather threat concerned during the day today, we're looking at a marginal to slight chance of severe weather for the entire viewing area, and this means that we could see some damaging wind gusts around 50 to 70 miles per hour, hail the size of quarters, and a very low threat of tornadoes. So we're going to be watching this very closely throughout the day, folks, so make sure you download that KNOP News 2 weather app on hand. Now, the timing with these storms will start around 4 and 5 o'clock, and that line is going to continue to develop between 6 and 6:30 and 7 o'clock, moving through the Highway 83 corridor. And then once we get around 8:30, 9 o'clock, we're going to see this line go towards the eastern side of the area, and that includes Broken Bow, Lexington, and into Curtis. And then North Platte is going to be seeing it into these storms around 9:30, and pretty much all of us are going to kind of see to these storms during this time period as well, which is really good news if you do not like the storms. And again, we will continue to keep you posted on this, and we will see those temperatures drop overnight into the 40s and 30s, so it's going to be a relatively mild night in store for us, folks. And we will continue to see our cold front move through during the day today into the overnight hours tonight and into our Saturday. And then for the weekend, we're going to be seeing a very beautiful weekend with those warm conditions and also the sun returning too. And the amount of rainfall we're expecting tonight will be around a quarter to half an inch with locally higher totals. And looking at our 7-day forecast, we're just going to continue to see this pattern up and down with conditions, and also temperatures aren't really going to be fluctuating too much. It's going to be more what we're expected this time of year. So Beatrice, I'm here to tell you it looks like spring is in full swing.
Absolutely. I'm glad to see the rain chances go away for some. Sunday.
Yeah, you know, especially for Cinco de Mayo celebrations, and even tomorrow for that raceway stuff too.
Right, yep.
And don't forget the Triple B flea market opening up tomorrow too. So it's going to be a pretty active weekend, it looks like, and it's going to be good weather for it. But today we're going to be monitoring conditions and make sure you have that News 2 weather app on hand.
Sounds good, Andre. Thank you so much. We want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.
February is known for Valentine's Day, but in the weather industry, it is known as the coldest time of the year. The temperatures were running above normal this time of year.
Temperature-wise, I heard it was about the fourth warmest February on record. We were about 8 degrees above the average.
Here in North Platte, the amount of snow for the month of February was below normal.
Now, the half-inch of snowfall we got, that's, you know, our typical average for February is about 7 inches of snowfall, so way below average on snowfall. So we didn't have any big storms this month.
Even though we were scarce with snow this February, the rainfall was above normal.
We received about 1.5 inches of precipitation liquid, and most of that fell in the 2 rounds of rain, which were about half-inch rainfall each.
With February in the rearview mirror, now we advance to the next season, severe weather season.
Well, we need to review our safety procedures for severe weather. Basically, the biggest problem we have is rocks falling out of the sky in the form of ice, large hail, which can damage cars. If there's wind associated with the hail, it can break windows. And that's our biggest problem. The tornado threat is uncertain. We only average a few tornadoes a year across western Nebraska.
We here at News 2 will keep you up to date on every storm this severe weather season. Reporting from the National Weather Service in North Platte, I'm meteorologist Andre Brooks, News 2.